Let me show you how we can fix missing LDAC option in Bluetooth settings on POCO F8 Pro and F8 Ultra. So most likely, if you don't have the LDAC option in properties, it is due to the app that you may have just recently installed for your Bluetooth device. In my case, for my earbuds, I downloaded this certain app that allows me to set up the sound quality, and I can choose if I prefer connection quality or sound quality. And this is the reason why I don't have LDAC, because I prioritize connection quality over the sound quality. So if I want to have LDAC option, I just need to switch to the sound quality in the app. And if I now go back to settings, as you can see, I do have LDAC option again. So essentially, you want to check the settings of your app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. If you change something in the sound quality settings, then of course you want to check that out and make sure that the sound quality has the priority. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.